Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I get a new phone from Assurance Wireless? Your Assurance Wireless phone packs a 1-year warranty from the original equipment manufacturer. If you experience a system malfunction, call the customer support team at 1-888-321-5880, and a similar replacement phone will get arranged. How can I upgrade my government phone? How can I upgrade my Safelink phone? You can contact your service provider to know which phones operate best with your service. Do online research on your ideal phone and the features. If you are satisfied with the phone, you can contact your provider and ensure that it is the right choice. Is Assurance Wireless any good? Assurance Wireless has a consumer rating of 1.46 stars from 321 reviews, indicating that most customers are generally dissatisfied with their purchases. Assurance Wireless ranks 99th among mobile carrier sites.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.